All right, so let's take a look at plugins. Now, once you download the pack, you're gonna see those plugins inside. Let me take this off. So let's go back. Yeah, so the plugins, they are just straightforward. You can just install them. I already have a lot installed, so just click on anyone. Retouch for me, hi dodge, anyone. Just click on it. It's just gonna open it up and straightforward download. See, just retouch, and it's gonna ask for password. Okay, so the password is different, and I'm not going to. Okay, let's just install this one for the now. Let's just install. Okay, so now I'm just gonna type in the password. So it's just gonna export and start installing. So you can see install, and then it's gonna install. I already installed it though, so it's just simple. Now once you finish installing, you can install all of them like that. Finish. Now you need to go back to Photoshop. Although if you can't see it, you need to close Photoshop, like close it and then reopen Photoshop. You're going to see it. Now once you install it, you're going to come to Windows extensions. You're going to see them. You can see the one I just retouched, Ultimate Retouch. So I have a lot of them. So I have Ultimate Retouch. It's going to take time to load. And once it's load, yep. So these are plugins. You can use them. I have videos on how to use them already. You can install another one. Go to, you're going to see Top Retouch, Venus Retouch, Beauty Retouch. This is Beauty Academy, Retouch Academy, sorry. So we have two type of Retouch Academy. Let me open up another one, which is this more Retouch panel. So it's still under the same Retouch Academy panel. So just that these two, they are different. So you can use them interchangeably. There are some that are here that are not here. So here we have frequency separation, dodge and burn, luminosity masking, face makeup, and all of that. So but here we have skin color correction and the less makeup details. So some things are here, some are not here. Eyeshadows here, no eyeshadow here, no, and all of this. Okay, so I'm just gonna close it. You already know how to install, you already know how to get it into Photoshop. Why is Retouch for me? It's not going to show under extension. Once you open them, you're going to see them at this side. So this is Ultimate Retouch. This is Venus Retouch, Venus 3, which you can install. I'm going to send you how to install those ones. Okay, so this also is different. We have makeup, we have various retouching, and this is one of the best I like using because it has a very straightforward retouching just in one click. Okay, so apart from that, if you don't see some like retouch for me, you're going to see them under filter. You can see I have one here, the answer theme. Okay, so but you're going to see retouch for me here and all of that. So if you don't see them under extension, they are going to be here, retouch for me. Okay, so that's just that about plugin. Now let's say you want to retouch with plugin. Let's use for this one. I'm going to send the videos for that. So skin retouching, a lot of that, dodge and burn. Just click on anyone. Let's start with this one. Let's say we want to brighten up everything. I think we're gonna come here. This for contrast, matte. Let's come to this side. Okay, all right. So contrast 3 point, 4 points. I just want to brighten things up. I guess we should have it somewhere. Okay, I think it's not here at all. Let's just see how this one works. Okay, so yep, I just kind of brought it up. SH. So that's the action for this one, bringing it, although it's too much and all of that. So Ctrl Z, let's bring it back to where it was, dark. So a lot of action. I'm going to send a video on how to use that. So that's how to get the plugins inside of it. So you just need to install and just put the password, and you're going to see it right here. So I'm going to send you how to use the retouching, some of the plugins. And for your gradient, those ones are also simple.